How to create an experience on Roblox. So if you want to create an experience in Roblox, create your hub. Then in today's video, I'm going to show it. What you need to do is just open up your Roblox and then you need to go with the create section, which will be on the left side. Once you're under the creator section, you need to go with creations, which will be on the left side again, and then you need to go with create experience. And it will open up your Roblox studio. You can choose from a blank template or a pre-built template, like a mansion or a boardwalk. In the create menu, you need to explore the available template and click on the template that best suits your experience idea. For this example, let's choose this one. Once you select your template, Roblox Studio will launch in your browser, opening your new experience. And here you can use the built-in tools and scripts and features to create your Roblox world. The possibilities are endless. Explore Roblox Studio tutorials and resources to unleash your creativity. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.